Just find yourself mesmerized by the soothing effects of pounding waves along the seashore? Well, by now you're well aware of my love of waves, and truthfully, they're one of my favorite things to create. Well, join me today as we create a soft and frothy wave with beautiful glass accents. Now, let's dive in. Welcome, Sea Rockers. Well, we have our general design sketched out. Now, let's get to it. We're going to start with some modeling paste to give our waves some shape and form. I just used my palette knife up here at the top to get some more splash looking effect. And I also thinned out the modeling paste to get those nice blobs that look like sea foam. Make sure you give it a good 24 hours to dry before you put any paint on it. Now to give color to our wave, we're going to use acrylic inks and a gesso water mixture. I call this mixture my magic potion because that's what it's like. It is 1 part gesso and 6 parts water. I just mix it up, keep it in a bottle, and I use it with the acrylic inks because it gives such a unique and different effect. I just love how the paint spreads out, some parts light, some dark. It's just so organic looking to me. Now, to keep it more organic looking, I let gravity do the painting for me. And then I also add some spritzes of water that thin the paint or the acrylic ink a little bit and just gives it, again, another look to it. Now, once that base layer was dry, I went in with multiple layers and multiple colors to create dimension, interest, and depth into this wave. If you haven't already, I invite you to splash that like button, click the bell, and subscribe to the channel. That way you never miss a video. Now using one of my favorite mediums of pouring medium and mica powder to create a beautiful shimmer concoction. We're not thinking we're done, we're just thinking in layers. The next part of our project is going to involve some beautiful stained glass. If you're so inclined to work with stained glass, you're going to need some nippers, a glass cutter, and some running pliers. But don't forget the safety gear of some safety glasses, or if you wear glasses, that works as well. So we're going to add this mosaic piece to our wave. But working with glass is fun. Watching people work with glass is extremely boring and it's about as fun as watching grass grow. So I'm going to fast forward for you to show you the highlights. We are done. Glue is dry, and now we're going to tape things off so we can do some grout. The grout I use is a ready-to-use pre-mixed sanded grout. It's in white, this particular one, and I find these at Home Depot. And the best part of grouting is actually the cleaning it up because it's like magic and it just reveals this beautiful design at the end. So I won't bore you again with the in-between. But if you are interested in learning more about glass and mosaics and grouting, go ahead and just leave that in the comments and I'll take a look at it and see what I can do for you. Our grout has been dried overnight and now it's time for some details. Adding last minute accents, and our reveal is next. Oh my goodness, look how this glass shimmers in the sunlight. Oh, I just love the iridescence. Hey, thanks for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed yourself and you've been inspired to try your own wave in your own style. I invite you to join the SeaRoxx family. Like, subscribe, and share with your friends, salty or unsalted. You can find me on other social media platforms, although YouTube is where I am most active, but I do have a website and an Etsy shop. Thanks for watching, and until next time, go beach or go home.